My name is Dr. Heath Coleman. I've been practicing for 12 years and I practice in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I have 4 kids and a wife, so most of my time goes there. I love to play golf, not very good at it, but I like to play. I like to try to stay in shape and I like to travel. Why did I get into dentistry? Well, I knew I wanted to get into medicine to help people, and when I found out I could do the same thing in dentistry, I knew it was right for me. What's the favorite part of my job? I love helping people. I love being a part of people's stories and their journeys. With what I do, I get to see patients every day that are broken. They're dental cripples, if you will. They're handicapped and they're insecure and they're hurt by their situation, and we love helping them. We love taking someone from what could be one of their lowest points in their life and helping them get back on track again. We love it. It's addictive. It's what gets us out of bed in the morning. What do I want patients to know about secure dentures and implants? I want them to know that they can get the care that they deserve at a price that they can afford. I think dentistry is inherently expensive. We've done a really good job of trying to make that more affordable for our patients. I'm Dr. Heath Coleman, and if you're insecure with your teeth, come see me and I'll give you a secure smile.